Here I have Honor 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset operation on this device and to remove screen lock from your device in case if you set yourself protection. It could be PIN, pattern or password and you forget it. So what you have to do is to hold down power key, then tap power off to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume up for a few seconds, like this. In this menu, you have to use volume up key to navigate to the first option, recovery mode, and then select it with volume down. And when you in this menu, use volume keys to navigate to the second option, wipe data factory reset, and then select it with power key. And then you have to confirm this operation by selecting wipe data factory reset one more time. Next you have to wait for data to be erased. And after data wipe completes, what you have to do is to select the first option, reboot system now, to restart your device. And your device will be restarted in a few minutes after that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.